Hi from Joe Duffy Select. This is the BMW 530e M Sport with the Performance Pack. As you can see, this car is in tremendous condition all around and is upholstered in black leather in automatic transmission as well. I'll go through a few of the features now. This also has split folding rear seats and offers a large boot space. Now you have a multifunctional steering wheel here with cruise control and limiter on the left, phone and radio functions on the right, automatic lights, electric windows and mirrors, automatic handbrake, front and rear parking sensors. You have GPS up here. With live traffic updates, you'll see in the red there and amber. Dual climate control down here with heated seats also available. For more on this car, please give us a call on 01 864 7791. Thank you.